Good morning, vlog.
11:75.
We halfway? It's over!
Our time is.
Next one's like double this.
Yeah. Yeah. Finish strong.
I'm dead.
Green.
GG's. Just picked up the bib for the 5K. This will be my first official race.
Good morning, vlog. It is race day. It's gonna be fun. I'm excited for the race. I'm excited to go to brunch after and just to hang out with some friends and to kind of bear the cold weather together. 5K crew. We got High over here.
1K crew.
We got the 5K crew cake.
Mistakes were made.
We've got our bib. I'm 14:15. High is 11:74. What's Khang? Let's see what Khang's bib number is. 11:75.
Are you serious?
Yeah, if you're the slowest one, you have to run an extra mile.
Get out of here. I'll take a distance shot.
Khang, is this your first race ever?
First 3 mile run.
Hi, this isn't your first race though, right?
No, I've done the last 5K and half before.
Well, Khang, this is yours and my first race, but this is also Khang's first ever 3-mile run, so I'm so glad you're doing this. This is boss mode, man. This is straight boss mode.
No training whatsoever. Oh.
And you woke up for an hour and a half before.
Yeah, he went to the gym for an hour and a half before this. Yeah, he did legs Wednesday, so he's sore. This is a recipe for success.
We are walking to Salt Lake Run Club.
Woo. I'm already cold, bro.
I wore winter socks. I think right here.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you. This one right here. I know, there's a lot.
Hey, is the GoPro running?
How do you know?
Is there text? Is the light on?
Yeah. It's very foggy on that.
Oh, the lens?
Yeah. Yeah.
Ready? Let's do this. We just started. Khang, you're our pacer. Khang is our pacer. Just started. Whew. God damn. Where the fuck are
We halfway?
Huh?
Is it halfway yet?
No.
Which 1/10 halfway?
Yeah, 1/10 maybe. Yeah! Take as long as you need.
Does it like tire the heart and lungs? I have that one. It's good. It's not body.
Yeah.
Wait for me.
Hey.
I'm just doing jumping jacks.
We are awesome. We just hit a mile.
Are you filming?
Yeah, hi!
Yeah! Friends!
We got 30% of the way through. Yeah. You got this, Khang. We got this. What do you think about those shoes on race day? Huh? Love them? Yeah. Yeah. I'm wearing the Mocs. Doesn't matter.
I don't even care where I last, dude. If I finish this, it's fucking the last race I'll ever do in my life.
Just come out for speed for a long time. You're finishing, Khang. You're finishing. I promise you, you're finishing. Ryan, where Ryan lives. Need water?
No, do something like take a bat hitting the ribcage. That's what I need.
Dude, we're at the turn. We got this.
Oh,
We're at the turn.
get the turn. Come on.
We got this.
Get the turn.
Yeah, we're at the turn. Thank you.
You got it.
Woo!
It's over.
No. It's not over. Our time is 20 minutes right now. 20 minutes 45. Almost there.
It's so hot, guys. It's amazing.
You see that tree over there?
That's it. Next one's like double this.
Yeah. And then the next one is triple, yeah, triple this. And then the last one is like 5 times this.
No. 8 times.
8 times this.
9 times this.
Oh yeah, 9 times this. We're killing it. Hey, look, our fan section. Yeah. Home stretch, Khang, we got this. Home stretch. Finish strong, Khang. Finish strong. Yeah. Yeah.
35 minutes.
Just finished our first, Khang's first 3 miles, my first race, and our first race together. Woo! How you feeling?
Not bad.
Yeah?
I feel like tired. My legs just hurt.
Yeah. How about you? How you feeling?
Really good.
Yeah.
Great. It's awesome.
Solid.
Oh, yeah.
I thought it was gonna be a little chillier, but it actually felt really good once you started running. Weather's great. Now I think we're waiting for the raffle.
Yeah.
Wait for the raffle and then head to brunch. Where's the coffee at?
Okay.
In there. Anything you want. Any Brooks.
$160 or under.
Okay, I want that.
I hope you'll find something in that.
160 or under, please.
Let's go.
Just getting close to it. Oh, that's pretty awesome.
One of these 3, one of these 3.
10.
1175.
400 got this. I'm about to run it.
Yeah. Please use it, okay? Please. Oh. That would have been amazing. If Khang wins the race, you have to do it.
1175. Come again.
Is it right?
Yeah. Check it out. We will be. What we do the first one.
You said it. You have to run it. You have to run it.
Ticket of death. Someone really wants me to run more because I just want to raffle for the full trail series in Park City.
Okay, Julia, 1525.
1,000 miles of running.
GG's. See ya, bro. See ya, hi.
See ya.
Thanks for driving. Thanks for taking us.
I just had a moment.
Oh, did you?
He ran a 5K.
It's still exercise,
I shouldn't be laughing. I'm in jeans. I just woke up and I'm like.